Hello friends, welcome to my channel NAILART. Today I show you how to make the beautiful nautical design that resemble a seashell. I will need different color gel polish. Plus, to get the rigid effect on the shell, I use a hard gel. I will also need an eyebrow brush. So, we coat the tip with color gel polish, dry it for 30 seconds, then cover it with hard gel. We don't dry the hard gel, but take an eyebrow brush and draw lines, achieving the right effect of a shell. Then dry it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Then we take pearl powder and wrap it into the sticky layer, cover everything with the coat, and our spectrum marine design is ready. I hope you like the idea of nautical design and will also apply it to your future nautical designs.
Yeah, stepping in the spot like she own it, looking like the world is your runway. She can set it off like a gunplay, oh my. Yeah, talk of the city with that body, always getting praised like it's Sunday. She said, baby, what you gonna do about it? Loving your vibe, girl, that energy got me going. Yeah, that thing's so vibrant. I wanna know if you can give me the keys to your heart, baby. All I need is you. All I need is you. Ewe muleji, you right next to me. Moji mule na vanemia yila, vanemia yila. Ewe muleji, mami venaki. Moji mule na vanemia yila, vanemia yila. She says she need me like heartbeat, drive me the bed like a RV, hugging the curves on that body. She bring the heat like wasabi. Promise not to test your heart, we just can't be kept apart. Yeah, yeah, baby, you the best by far. Always go the extra mile. Yeah, yeah. All I need is you. All I need is you. Ewe muleji, you right next to me. Moji mule na vanemia yila, vanemia yila. Ewe muleji, mami venaki. Moji mule na vanemia yila, vanemia yila. Loving your vibe, girl, that energy got me going. It's my baby, that thing's so vibrant. Keys to your...
Well, NAILART was with you. Thank you for your attention. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click like, share in the comments. Did you like the design? Good luck to all. Bye bye.